You get your 3% raise. You're grateful. Then inflation eats it up before the year ends. You're right back where you started. But here's what nobody tells you. That stagnant salary isn't an accident. It's the result of 5 invisible traps built into the 9-to-5 structure that keep you earning the same thing year after year. And once you see these traps, they become impossible to unsee. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to escape them and double or even triple your income within the next 6 months. Let's go. Why this works. Immediate pain point. 3% raise eaten by inflation. Creates curiosity. 5 traps. Big promise. Double/triple income in 6 months. Fast pacing. Let me show you something crazy. I know someone who stayed at the same company for 12 years. Great company, good people. He went from $40,000 to $50,000. Sounds like progress? That's 2% annual growth. He literally lost money to inflation every single year. Meanwhile, the person who switched jobs every 4 years? Same skills, same industry. They're now making $95,000. The math is brutal. 10 years at 3% raises barely moves the needle. But 3 job changes with 20% bumps each time. You're in a completely different income bracket. Before we dive into the traps, hit that subscribe button. This channel breaks down real strategies for breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Why this works. Concrete example with numbers. Shows the cost of inaction. Creates urgency. Natural CTA placement. Let me show you something crazy. I know someone who stayed at the same company for 12 years. Great company, good people. He went from $40,000 to $50,000. Sounds like progress? That's 2% annual growth. He literally lost money to inflation every single year. Meanwhile, the person who switched jobs every 4 years? Same skills, same industry. They're now making $95,000. The math is brutal. 10 years at 3% raises barely moves the needle. But 3 job changes with 20% bumps each time. You're in a completely different income bracket. Before we dive into the traps, hit that subscribe button. This channel breaks down real strategies for breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Why this works. Concrete example with numbers. Shows the cost of inaction. Creates urgency. Natural CTA placement. Trap number 2. You don't know your market value. Most people have no idea what they should be earning. You could be leaving $20,000 to $50,000 on the table without knowing it. Here's what you do. Open Glassdoor, Payscale, or LinkedIn salary reports. Search your exact role, years of experience, and location. Right now, the companies hiring you have already done this research. When you negotiate, you're fighting someone with data, and you're guessing. That's why you lose. Trap number 3. You never actually ask for a raise. You drop hints. You work extra hard hoping someone notices. You wait for your annual review and hope they reward you. They won't. Asking for a raise isn't being difficult. It's negotiating employment terms based on your value and market conditions. Every successful person does this. But most people are trained from childhood to be grateful and not ask for more. That programming costs hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Trap number 4. You're too comfortable to take risk. People stay in jobs they hate because taking risk feels financially irresponsible. But here's the reality. Staying put is also a risk. You're risking your skills becoming obsolete. You're risking missing better opportunities. You're risking waking up at 50 and realizing you spent 30 years somewhere that never valued you. The question isn't, can I afford to take risks? It's, can I afford not to? Trap number 5. You're not building skills that transfer. You get good at your current job. You know all the systems. But those skills don't translate beyond your specific company. If you left tomorrow, how many other companies would value what you know? The people with the highest market value have skills that are in demand everywhere. Python developers, project managers with proven results, salespeople who exceed quotas, valuable everywhere. But if you're just the person who knows how we do things here, you're stuck, and the company knows it. That's why they keep your pay flat. Okay, so you see the traps. Now what? Here's your exact escape plan. And yes, this can work even if you're starting with zero connections and zero side income. Step 1. Know your numbers. Work backwards. How much do you make now? Let's say $60,000 a year, $1,200 per week. Add up all your bills, rent, food, car, utilities. Add 15% for safety. Let's say that's $600 per week minimum. This is your target. You need to hit this before you quit. Step 2. Pick your vehicle, the service-based business. There are 3 types of businesses. The unicorn, Apple, Facebook, 99% fail. Takes years passive cash flow. YouTube, blog, takes 1 to 2 years to profit service-based. Makes money immediately. For escaping your 9 to 5 service-based wins. Here's why. You can start making money in week 1. Think. Freelance writing, web design, consulting, video editing, social media management, even car detailing. These are high-value skills that solve real problems. Step 3. The 3-client rule. Here's the secret. You don't need 100 clients. You need 3 paying clients before you quit. 3 clients at $1,000 to $2,000 per month each equals your baseline covered. How to get them? Start with Upwork or Fiverr, yes, even at low rates. Deliver insane value. Get reviews. Raise your prices 50% for the next client. Repeat. I've seen people go from $25 per hour to $150 per hour in 6 months doing this. Step 4. Build while employed. Do not quit yet. Build your business while you still have income. This is crucial. Work your job during the day. Build your business nights and weekends for 3 to 6 months. Yes, it's hard. Yes, you'll be tired. But it's temporary. The goal. Hit your target income for 3 consecutive months before quitting. Now, if you don't have a service skill yet, there's another path. TikTok Shop live streams. This sounds weird, but people are making $50 to $180 per hour selling products they don't own on live streams. You literally just talk about products, and when people buy, you get instant commission. I'm not going to deep dive this here, but it's real. I've seen people replace their income in their first month. The key: find products with high video views but few live streamers. Order the product, study successful streams, go live. That's it. Is it as sustainable as building a real service business? Maybe not long-term, but for immediate income replacement, it's incredibly effective. Here's the truth. In 5 years, you'll be in one of 2 places. You'll either be making basically the same salary you're making now, wondering why nothing ever changes, or you'll have built something real, something that gives you time freedom, financial freedom, and the ability to choose how you spend your days. The traps are real, but they're not locked. You can walk out anytime you decide the discomfort of change is better than the pain of staying stuck. Most people will watch this video, nod along, and change nothing. Don't be most people. If this helped you, drop a like. Subscribe for more strategies on building real wealth outside the 9 to 5 system. And I'll see you in the next video. Now go escape those traps.